Hi viewers, I welcome to online training on mathematical skills for competitive exams. I am going to discuss about visual reasoning and dice. So nowadays in many competitive exams visual reasoning part is important and how to face the visual reasoning questions. So first I discuss what is reasoning part. It can check the capacity for a person to make sense of things, to establish and verify facts. In the visual reasoning, there are three types involving. First one is logical reasoning. In short form, I write LR. The second one is verbal reasoning, and the last one is non-verbal reasoning. So in the logical reasoning part includes number series, analogies, coding and decoding, etc. Similarly, in verbal reasoning part include dice, arithmetic reason, blood relation, etc. And in non-verbal reasoning includes figures, embedded images, series, etc. So these concepts are involving in the visual reasoning part. So let us see a question in the visual reasoning part. How many meaningful English words can be made with the letters EMLI using each letters only once in each word? So from this question, the main part is EMLI. Here given the 5 options. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is more than 4. So from the question, the word EMLI makes two meaningful English words. The first one is lime, LIME, and the second one meaningful English word is mile, MILE. So here the two meaningful English words can be made from EMLI. So the correct option is B part is 2. The another question in the visual reasoning part is 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and so form a group. Which is the one that does not belong to that group? So here given the five options. A is yellow, B is red, C is black, D is green and E is violet. So from the answer part, which does not belong to that group? So here are the given in colors. So we know that Vibziar, part. So yellow, red, green, violet are involving in the Vibziar and the black one does not belong to that group. So the correct option is C part, that is black. The interesting question is 4 of the following 5 are like in a certain way and so form a group. which the one that does not belong to that group. So from the previous question, it can be asked from the colors. In this question, it can be asked from the numbers. Here given the 5 options. A is 45, B is 51, C is 39, D is 93, E is 85. So from the question, what is asked? Which is the one does not belong to that group? So here 45 is divided by 3, 51 is divided by 3, 39 is divided by 3, 93 divided by 3. So all parts are divisible by 3, but the last option E part is 85 does not divided by 3. So here the E part is only the correct option for this question. Here another one example in the alphabetic manner. So what should come next in the following letters series? Here given the letter series AZ, ABY, ABCX, ABZ, CDWA, ABCD, EVW, ABCDEF. So in these letters,